Well, today I decided to make this video in English because I'm feeling strange. So, what we're basically were to do was to create this um, platform on which these purple rectangles are moving and then colliding to the borders of this platform, and then keeping moving. So to 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 make this platform called canvas, we created this HTML code in which firstly we have this basic HTML, and then this canvas tag, which basically creates this platform for these rectangles to move on. Our canvas has its ID to refer further in the code. It has width and height. So in our HTML file we have this script tag, which has this code in it. Firstly we create a context variable which we give 2D, and then we create a constant number of the points, which I gave here 15. It basically creates the number of these rectangles that will be in our canvas. And then we create an array called points, where we will next put our rectangles with the loop for. So in for we 15 times create this actually we 50 times put something in points array, and what we put is y and x coordinates, which have this math random multiplied by a canvas width and height values, which means that we give them random coordinates within the canvas width and height values, not to make them outside this our canvas. And then we give a width and height to our rectangles, which also we give a math random function multiplied by 100 to give them random random width and height. And also we give math random values to this x delta and y delta, which we'll use further in the code. And also we give the color to all the rectangles that we have. I gave them purple because this is my favorite color. Next we have this constant draw, which we give function, and what this function does. Firstly, it clears our canvas, so that no rectangles is on that, and then with our second function we create all our rectangles again. So this actually makes our rectangles to move. Oh no, that's not the right thing. Where is that? Okay, so each movement that is made in our canvas, for each movement we clear our canvas and draw these rectangles again. We clear it and we draw them again in other positions. So this part clears our canvas, and this part creates our rectangles again by filling with color all the points of our rectangles in specific particular coordinates. So then comes this part which means that when our rectangles approach to the borders of the canvas, actually when it like touches the border of our canvas, we change its direction. We change its direction. You see here that when this rectangle approaches and touches the border, it changes its direction. It moves in totally another way on that direction. So yeah. But if it doesn't approaches to the borders of our canvas, we just omit this code and then we move on until it approaches to the borders. This part actually makes our rectangles move. What it does, it adds points to the current coordinates and makes our rectangles move. So nextly, we create this animate function, which will call our draw function and set the timeout on it. We gave it 10 here. And then after all, we just call our animate function that secondly will call our draw function. So that's it. Thank you for your attention and see you later.